Hello, a very good morning to everyone, my dear students. Yes, today we are going to start our next question of exercise 1.3. Question number 7. What is given? In a class test containing 10 questions. How many total questions? 10 questions dear. 5 marks are awarded. Awarded means given. Okay. 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. If your answer is correct, how much marks you will get? 5 marks. And minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer. If your answer is wrong, your marks will be given minus 2. Okay? And 0 question and 0 for questioning not attempt. Because sometimes it's happen or not dear. Whenever we sit in any exam, it is not necessary, it is not mandatory we know all the question. Always sometimes we left some question or not. So if you left any question, so how much marks are given? 0 marks. Okay. So first part is given. The first, second and third part of the same question all are same. I explain only first part. Rest of 2 parts you will do yourself here. Look at here. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. What is his score? So first we will find, it's very simple dear. Everyone know marks for each correct answer. How much given? 5 marks. It is 5 marks. And it's very simple. Cost of 1 pen 5 rupees. Cost of 4 pen 5 into 4. Same as it is. Marks for 5. How much? Sorry, here. Mohan gets 4. So it is Mohan mark for 4 correct answer. How much? 5 into 4. Total marks are 20 marks for correct answer. Next dear. Marks for incorrect answer. How much? Minus 2. And total incorrect answer is 6. So marks for 6 incorrect answer is minus 2 multiplied by 6. And everyone know in multiplication positive multiply negative. 2 into 6 12 and we put the minus sign. Now what is his score? What is Mohan's score? So how to find Mohan's score dear? Mohan's scores. So how to find? So we will add them 20 plus minus 12. It is positive multiply negative. Answer always negative. So how much Mohan's score? Mohan's score is only 8 marks. Understand here? So Mohan get 8 marks in the exam. Same as it is, you will do second and third part yourself. Okay dear? Please note down it now. Now dear, question number 8. What is given? A cement company earns a profit of 8 rupees per bag. Per bag for white cement. On the white cement per bag, how much profit? 8 rupees. And loss of 5 rupees per bag of grey cement. So on grey cement, the company has loss, and on the white cement, profit. The company sells 3,000 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement. What is profit or loss? Same as it is, like a question number 7. So first, profit on each bag of white cement. How much given? 8 rupees. And how much company sell? White cement 3,000 bags. So profit on 3,000 bags of white cement, 8 multiply 3,000. How much? It is 30 and 8 into 3 24. So 24,000 rupees. Same as it is. Loss on each bag of grey cement minus 5 rupees, because loss is always in minus. I already told you in integers. Okay. Loss on how much? Bags sold by the company of grey 5,000. So loss on 5,000 bag of grey. So minus 5 dear into 5. So it is this one. Now we have to find what is profit or loss. So we have to find company has profit or loss. So first, total profit or loss of the company. How to decide? If answer come in negative, so company has loss, and if it is answer come in positive, company has profit. So it is total 24,000 plus minus 25,000. Dear, 24,000 positive into negative, negative. So it is become minus 1,000. So you can write total loss of company is how much? Is 1,000 rupees. How much dear? It is 1,000 rupees. So please note down it now. Now dear, second part. What is given? What is the number of white cement bag it must be sold to have neither profit nor loss? Now, and one more thing given, if the number of grey bags sold is 6,400. In the question dear, we have to find how many bags should company have to be sell. Then neither profit nor loss. Neither profit and nor loss. What is meaning? It means if you sold of 10 rupees, if you sell of 10 rupees, so how much loss? Loss is also minus 10. So 10 plus minus 10, how much is 0? It means neither profit nor loss. So in the question, so first we will write here loss on each grey bag of cement minus 5 rupees. Yes. Loss on how many total grey bags sold by company? 6,400 grey bag of cement. So we will write minus 5 multiply by 600. So what is the answer? Answer is dear 5 into 4 20, 5 into 6 30 it is. So total loss is 32,000. Now we have to find how many number of white cement bag. So let number of white cement bag are X. Understand here? Whenever in any question is come, how many? So we will suppose it. Let number of white cement bag are X. So profit on each white cement bag how much? 8 rupees. So profit on X white cement bag how much? If you know, if profit on each white cement is 8 rupees, and if total bags is sold 3,000, then multiply by 3,000. But here how many bags? X. So 8 into X. 8 into X is 8X. Okay dear, that is profit. And one more thing, company have neither profit nor loss. What is meaning? Neither profit nor loss. So it means their sum of profit and loss must be 0 or not. Only this case. You have 10 rupees profit and 10 rupees loss. Then you have 0 profit, no? 0 profit. Then you have neither profit nor profit. So therefore, we will write 8x plus minus 3200. It is profit, it is loss, and both become equal to how much? It is 0 or not? Because company has neither profit nor. Okay dear. Now look at. Now dear, 8x positive into negative, negative. What we want to find? X value dear. Okay. Now you have to remember dear, whenever equal sign is come, we will discuss later in the chapter number, I think, in algebra. Okay, we will discuss it. Always remember, whenever equal sign come, negative another side become positive. What is become? If it is here negative, another side when we remove, it is become positive. positive become negative, negative become positive. Okay dear? And everyone know 8x. 8x mean 8 multiply by x, 32,000. Always remember, positive become negative, negative become positive, and multiplication another side divide, and divide another side multiplication. 8 is here multiply, so another side here it is divide. 8. Okay, now divide. 8 ones are 8, 8, 4, 3, 0. So x is 4,000. So how many number of white cement bag is 4,000? Okay dear, understand or not? You can verify also your answer. 4,000 into 8, 32,000, because 4,000 into 8 rupees on each. So 4,000 into 8, 32, and loss also minus 32. Then it is no profit, no loss. Okay dear? So please note down it dear now. Yes. Next dear, replace the blank with an integer. We have to write an integer to make it a true statement. True means left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay dear? Look at here. We observe that on right hand side what is answer? Minus 27. Minus. And what number we multiply by minus 3, then it become minus 27. So look at here how to find. It's very simple. Everyone know minus 3 into 4. In multiplication, negative into positive, always negative. Always negative or not? So we observe it is negative and answer is also negative. It means what number we have to multiply with minus 3, then it is become negative. So this number must be positive. Positive or not? Because positive into negative, always negative. It means this number is negative. So what we will write? Sorry, this number is positive. So what number 3 we multiply 3 by what number, then it is become 27. It is 9. So my negative into positive, negative. So 3 into 9, 27. Or dear, you can find like this one also. Minus 3 into. Now dear, we observe that how do we find minus? We want to find this one. Minus 27 divided by minus 3. We will discuss in next exercise. Always same as it is here. Like a multiplication in divide also, if both are negative, then answer always positive. So 23 divided by 3, how much? 9. If same sign, always positive. If different sign, one negative, one positive, answer is negative. Same as it is like a multiplication. So it means we know 27. We want to find this number. This number another side multiply here, another side divide. So minus, so it is come 1 4, it is minus 9. Okay dear? Answer is minus 9. But here is both are negative, so it is positive. Okay, like this one also you can find. How to? Look at here. We will consider last it is x, and everyone know minus 3 into x minus 27. And what I told you, they are multiply or not? Multiply another side dear, divide. And in divide, when both are same sign, if both are positive, answer also positive. If both are negative, then answer also positive. So what is? So 3, it is 9. Understand here? Now again, it is positive. What number we will multiply by 5, then answer is negative. So it means this number should be negative. So what is? So it is negative. So what number? 5 into 7, 35. It is our answer. Otherwise dear, 5 into minus 35. What is answer? Positive is x. And 5 multiply. And multiply another side here, divide. And I told you, in divide also, if both are different, first we divide 7 and put the minus sign. What is x? X is minus 6. So same as it is, you can do rest of the two parts of this of question number 9. So please, our exercise has be finished. Okay dear? So please note down it. Now dear, same as it is, we learn how to multiply two integers, one positive, one negative. Maybe both are negative, maybe both are positive. Same as it is, we will learn how to divide two integers. First is when we divide a negative integer by a positive integer. Yes, it is negative divided by positive integer, or a positive integer divided by negative. It is positive, it is negative. Okay dear? When we divide one negative to positive or positive to negative, so what we will? We divide them as a whole. What is meaning? Whenever we divide one positive, one negative, we divide them as a whole. It's mean dear, forget one time there is a no sign is given. 8 divided by 2, 4. So we divide only and put a minus sign. In what case? When one negative, one positive. Same as it is. Positive divided by negative. Forget the sign. 8 divided by 4, 2. But put the sign minus. So only one thing you have to remember in division dear, if one negative, one positive, one positive, one negative. If there is different sign in division, answer always negative. Same as it is in multiplication or not. 2 multiply minus 4. One negative, one positive. Answer is negative. One negative, one positive. Different sign, answer is negative. Only in multiplication and division. In multiplication and division, you have to always remember one negative, one positive. Answer always negative. Okay? Answer always negative. Okay dear? Now next. When we divide a negative integer by a negative integer, minus 8 divided by minus 2, both are negative. Both are negative means same sign, or a positive integer by a positive, 8 divided by 2, same. So we divide them as a whole. So it means we forget, suppose there is a no sign. 8 divided by 2, 4, and put the positive. No need to write positive. Okay? No need to write positive. If we don't use any sign, it means it is positive. Again, 8 divided by 2, 4, and it is your answer. Same as it is in multiplication dear. 2 multiply by 4. Both are positive. Answer is 8. Minus 2 multiply minus 4. Both are same. Answer is always positive. So it is always, you have to remember it here. Okay? We have already learned how to add two integers, how to subtract two integers, how to divide two integers, and how to multiply two integers. Always one thing is remember dear, division and multiply follow same rule. Okay? And addition and subtraction follow same rule. Addition and subtraction same, and multiplication and division follow same rule. Okay? Please note down it dear now. Now dear, one more example. Again I am explaining you how to add and subtract. Look at dear. These are always one thing is you have to remember, addition and subtraction follow same rule. Okay. In addition, we want to add these two numbers. In addition and subtraction, whenever same sign, it is negative, it is negative, we will add them. So we will write negative. And in multiplication, positive into negative, answer always negative. So positive multiply negative, it is negative. Okay, you can write like this one also. Otherwise, you can add directly. It is negative, it is negative. Both are same sign, and we want to add. So 8 plus 4, 12. We add and put the sign greater number. Greater is 8. This one our answer. Now 8 plus 4, same sign, add. Put the sign greater. Greater is 8, positive. Again, one negative, one positive. Different sign always subtract. Always 8 minus 4, 4. And put the sign greater number. Greater is minus. Again different sign, subtract. Because they are not multiplying, they are addition. Okay dear? Multiply means 8, and if this sign is come 10, we will write. Okay? And if we will use 8 minus and minus, minus 4. Look at one positive, one negative. Different sign always subtract and put the sign greater. Greater is 8. Now how to this one subtract? Look at its mean dear. Whenever two symbol negative positive come together, so it means they are multiply. Positive into negative, negative. Okay, positive into negative, negative. Or different sign again subtract. Put the now 8 negative into negative, because what is the answer in multiplication? Negative into negative. 2 into 3 6, and put positive or not. Negative into negative, positive. So negative into negative, positive, plus 4. It is clear. Okay. So this is always you have to remember dear. Okay dear. Now we will do questions. Look at now. So now dear, question number 1. Only you have to remember the rules. What is? Yes, 1 negative, 1 positive. Minus 30 divided by 10. Everyone know. In division and multiplication, 1 negative integer, 1 positive. Only we will divide. 0 cut by 0. 3. 1 negative, 1 positive. We will divide them and put the sign always negative if different sign. Next dear, minus 36 divided by minus 9. In multiplication and division, if same sign, we will add them. 36, not add them, we will divide. 36 divided by 9. 9 1 the 4. So 4 divided by 1. And put the sign positive. If the same sign, always answer positive. Negative, negative, cancel always. Okay, 4 divided by 1, 4. It is your answer. Next dear, if there is a more than 2 integer, how to divide? No need to be confusion dear. No need to scale it. What we will do? Negative divide by 12, and we will write like this one, and divide by 3. And everyone know negative and positive. Divide 12 1 ja 12, 12 3 ja, and 1 positive, 1 negative. Answer always negative. Minus 3 divide 3. Again minus 3 divide by 3. 1 negative, 1 positive. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja. Answer is always negative. So it is your answer. So please do all the question you have to do yourself of the first part. Okay. Next question we will do in next class. Okay dear. So please note down it. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.